Hi everyone, I'm Megan and welcome to my channel. So today I'm doing a very fun unboxing for you guys, and I'm going to be unboxing the summer edition of the Fab Fit Fun subscription. So I've had this box for a couple of weeks. I got it before I went on vacation. I took it with me to the beach. I had full intentions of filming this on the beach. And of course I waited to the very last day, and what did it do? It poured rain all day long. So I did not get to do that. So here I am. But I definitely wanted to get on camera, film it for you guys, unbox it. I have not even opened it. I have no clue what's in it. I've not watched any unboxing. So I'm super excited to see what I got this quarter. So I'm going to go ahead and open her up. Alright, so as soon as I open it up, this is what I see. You always get one of these little magazines in here, and you know, there's some little articles in here, and then it also tells you what's inside the box. And you know, what I get is different from what the next person can get, or it could be exactly the same. So there are options. You could get like one of 3 items out of a category and so on. So there's a bunch of different varieties that you could receive. So also you always get like a HelloFresh coupon, which I am currently doing HelloFresh, and I do enjoy it a lot better than the Home Chef. The Home Chef, the meat was really good, but the sides were not good at all. So I've really been enjoying HelloFresh, and if you guys would like to see a cook with me video where I get my HelloFresh box for the week, pick a meal and cook it, you guys let me know, and I can definitely do that for you all. And they also put in here, so I can give you guys this coupon code. This is You Deserve Some More Summer Fun. I'm gifting you $10 off your first Fab Fit Fun box. So there is the code, which of course you're not able to see it. I will link this code in the description box, so if you all are interested in getting Fab Fit Fun, you can get $10 off your first box, which every quarter is $50, $49.99 or $95 or something like that. But for your first box, you can get it for $39. So if you're interested, I'll link that. Now, so as soon as I open up the box, I see a lot of goodies. So, dang it, I just bought some of these. I've not used them, but I bought them. Okay, so the first thing I see is from Burn 60. This is 3 resistance bands. So, I'm trying to get my booty looking good, you know, and I've always saw like these videos where these girls are wearing these bands like around their legs doing squats and doing different leg and butt exercises. So I bought some from Amazon, but of course I've yet to use them. But anyhow, there are 3 different resistance types. So I'm sure light, medium, and then like where it's really hard. Burn 60 is a high intensity interval training for all fitness levels. Our signature training program is designed to help you work out smarter, maximize calorie burn, and tone major muscle groups. So let me find this in the little booklet. So if I were to go out and buy this, it would have cost me $34. And it says it takes your workouts to new heights with a set of resistance bands. Use the light, medium, or heavy band individually, or combine multiple bands to find your ideal resistance level. So I'm super excited about this. I need to get on it and start using them. Alright, the next thing I see is from Living Proof. I love Living Proof hair products. This is the Nourishing Styling Cream. It stops frizz and it lightly conditions. Boy, did I need this at the beach. So that, if I were to have purchased that online, it would have cost me $28, and it just combats frizz and it helps smooth and it blocks humidity without weighing your hair down. So this is a really nice product to have on those hot, humid summer days when your hair's just like, poof. So I wish I would have had that, but oh well. The next thing I see is something that I use every single day, and that is the Invisibobble hair ties. Guys, if you have not tried these are so good. And this is a 6-pack. These things are really pricey, actually. These are the, I don't know if you're able to see. So I got clear and nude, and these are the hair ties that it does not leave like a crinkle in your hair when you put your hair up. So I really enjoy. They're also, they don't damage your hair at all. Like some of the rubber ones, you know, will kind of tear and break your hair off. These are awesome because they do not do that. So I'm going to try to find how much these are. So if I would have went out and purchased these, it would have cost me $16. So I will definitely get my use out of those. The next thing I see is from Wish. And I have actually got another product from them from another Fab Fit Fun box. But this is an exfoliating foot mask. It smooths and softens its intense hydration. So this is what it looks like. I've never used a foot mask, but hey. Let's see what it says about it. So it says that it is get your feet sandal ready. Natural ingredients like willow bark extract and pumpkin seed exfoliate and polish your softest feet ever. So, you know, if your feet get like really, you know, your heels get tough or dry, this would be a nice thing to put on there. And to kind of, it exfoliates, polishes, and it's smooth. So I will try it out and let you guys know how I like it. The next thing I see is from, it's from Kula. And you guys, I still have 2 primers I bought from them and have yet to use. I've got so much makeup. Like, I have new makeup. I need to just use it. But this is from Kula. This is a makeup setting spray. And it is a simple spritz of our weightless matte finish. Yes, it's matte. Yeah, I was worried. It protects your face from damaging UVA, UVB rays while helping you to keep your makeup looking fresh all day. So I am super excited about that. And this is, it would have costed me $38 or $36 if I would have went and purchased it. And it says the matte finish formula keeps makeup looking flawless and delivers a quick hit of hydration and sun protection anytime you need it. So I want to see what it looks like. I hear like a little ball in there or something. Kind of like the Tasha one. Oh, so this is what it looks like. And it does have the little ball in there, I guess, to, you know, get everything shaken up good. So I will definitely be playing with this. And I will use it in an upcoming video, like a full face first impression, something like that. Alrighty, the next thing I see is from Grace and Stella. And this is a spray all day. It's a rose spray. Why do I keep getting all these sprays? This is, let me see if I can find it. This is what it looks like. And this is craving a midday refresher. Just a spritz of the rose-infused mist will leave you with a fresh and moisturized face. So where this is more of like a makeup setting spray, this is more of just like a hydrating spray. So I don't know if I'll be using this. I'll probably throw it in a giveaway or something just because I don't need any more hydration on this face. So this Grace and Stella, this would have cost me $25.95. So the next thing is a Generation Clay Brightening Face Mask. And this is $39, and it is packed with Davidson Plum. The purple mask works to rejuvenate dull skin and boost hydration. So I love a facial mask, and so I will definitely be trying this out. The next thing I see is from 3 Skin. Y'all know about this brand. Wow. Okay. So here's the box. I gotta find this. Hold on. Okay, so I knew this was going to be pricey. So y'all remember my video last, it was last month's BoxyCharm and Ipsy comparison video. And I was like bummed out about the Ipsy box. So when I got to the last product, it was from 3 Skin. I guess that's how you say it. And it was a vitamin C boosting serum. And it was a $180 serum. So I was like, okay, I definitely got my money's worth. But, so then, now I see this. And this is a rose gold brightening facial treatment mask. And it says it diminishes the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. It is 24 karat gold, enhances skin radiance to brighten an even skin tone. It enforces and protects skin barrier function, and it rejuvenates and nourishes lackluster skin. And the price tag on this little bad boy is $160. Crazy, crazy. So there are 5 treatments in here. Wow. So that's very, very expensive. All right, and the last thing I see is some sort of clothing. So this is what it is. And this is a spiritual gangster Maya kimono made of spun rayon fabric for a cooling effect. This kimono is a summer essential that can be dressed up or down. It features silky, comfortable front pockets and a belt so you can wear it multiple ways. And I will probably just wear this as, you know, like my house coat, something to put on when I get out of the shower. Let's see. Yeah, I can tie it up. And it does have pockets, so that's nice. And if I were to have purchased this, it would have cost me $60. So that is everything that I got in my box. And I think why I got so much of the skincare stuff is because, and makeup, because whenever I filled out my application or, you know, the thing about me, what I would like, I was always like makeup, beauty, makeup, beauty. I think I may redo my profile, and so I can get some of these other items. Like I could have gotten these wine glasses right here. I could have gotten a set of bowls, a bag, a hair dryer, like a cute little beach towel. So I always miss out on like the lifestyle products just because of the way my profile is set up. So I may go and look into doing that just so I can get more of a variety of products. But yeah, that is all I got in my box. I do really like this box. I'm definitely excited about this Kula setting spray, the living proof hair frizz thing, the hair ties. I'll definitely get my use out of these burn 60 things. I don't know, I'll keep you guys updated and let you know if I use them or not. And I'm really excited about using these gold facial masks. I mean, come on, it better really, like, I don't know, it better take away all my pores, wrinkles, everything, and knock like 5 years off my life by using just one for that price. So anyhow, that is all I have for you guys today. I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you did, go ahead and give me a thumbs up, you guys. That helps me out so much. And if you're not subscribed already, guys, I would love nothing more than to have you subscribe to my channel. It would honestly make my day. And if you like, you can hit the little post notification bell so you are notified of all my future uploads. And thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you all have a wonderful day, and I'll see you guys in my next ones. Bye.